AP&S is an equipment manufacturer in the semiconductor industry. This means we do wet cleaning, wet etching equipment, and deliver these tools for all the semiconductor manufacturers. The new GigaStep and the challenges we face out was to have a modular equipment. Modular means standardized components, standardized hydrodynamics, and this was one of our key activities in the last 1.5 years in the design department. And add on, we want to enter the market in the United States with this equipment, so we have to take care that all parts, electronics especially, fits the United States regulations.
Innovations in mechanical engineering always arise during the process, and we do everything we can to ensure that our mechanical engineers can concentrate on their process and don't have to struggle with automation technology. We take care of all that for them.
So the B&R solutions we use in the machines are growing over the last decade. So we're starting with PLCs, typical PLCs in the past, IOs, etc. Then we need different more applications, motion controllers, axis, robotics, safety especially. So this was something which improves our machine design, and B&R was all the time our key partner to do this.
Here at GigaStep, it is particularly the case that, in the end, almost the entire B&R portfolio was used, and that everything fits together perfectly. That is actually what enables AP&S to achieve its goals relatively quickly here.
B&R solutions make it stand out for us as a mid-sized company that we get all the products and all the support we need to build a machine. This is not the only thing, we get all the support we need. So if we have any issues, any problems in the programming, in the design, the designers in the electrical department, they get a really fast feedback and they get all time the access to the specialists on the B&R side. So this make it very important for us and make it for us outstanding compared to other providers which we worked in the last years.